don't know, man. I'm nervous.
Dude, this is our opportunity, man.
I don't know.
This is it, Max. This is the key to the rest of our lives.
Really, Tyson? You think this Wall Street is gonna take you so far?
Definitely, man. I can already see my future. And all I see is money!
Tyson, we need to talk.
I'm busy. You know, you should really lock in. I'm making a lot more money than you.
Okay.
Alright, hang on. Look, what do I call you, Mr. President?
Mr. Pompey will do just fine.
Mr. Pompey, okay. I'm not saying you don't know how to run this place, but there are some inconsistencies with how I would do it.
Go on.
Well, for starters, you have too many employees. I mean, you shouldn't have more than 10 employees. And you're wasting all this money and resources on people you have to hire, train, and employ. They couldn't even sell a life jacket on a sinking ship if they had to. What a terrible era where idiots govern the blind.
Okay, you try running this circus, Mr. Know-It-All. We all know how good you are at trading, how good you are at robbing old ladies over the phone. You know, I like to see you get those morons out there and do anything. Because I quit!
Good morning, gentlemen. Your President Pompey has resigned and generously given me his position as president. Now don't worry, this firm will be making a lot more money. But I think we're going to be doing a little bit of laying off. Where are my two highest earners? Okay, everyone else, just go home.
Wait, you're not firing me, are you?
Are you one of the two?
No, but Tyson, how could you do this to me? We've been best friends for years.
Max, I don't know about you, but I love the name of honor more than I fear death. Get out. Well, I don't know what's got you all so down. As you can see, we've made more money exponentially in this quarter.
We don't care. We're still making the same 20 an hour.
Yeah, the only one profiting off this is you.
Friends, Romans, countrymen, as they say, lend me your ears. You all know why we're meeting here today. Tyson has ruined the spirit of Rome Capital Partners, but not if we can help it. We are the ones who built this company, and we can break it down.
How are we supposed to do that? Tyson is in control of everything now.
That's where I come in. I still have the password to Tyson's trading account. If we can get a bad enough trade on there, we'll send him in so much debt that he'll have to retire.
That's risky.
but we'll try. How do we get started?
This is he.
Yeah. Yeah, no, so, yeah. Never mind.
Hey Max, the news.
This is the moment we've been waiting for.
Morning, ladies and gentlemen. This just in, the recently appointed president of Rome Capital Partners has gotten himself into some career-ending drama. The instatement of President Marcus Anthony will take place later this afternoon.
You wanted to see me?
You too, Max? How could you do this to me?
What?
I worked so unbelievably hard for this, and as soon as I succeed, it's ripped out from under me. I mean, I'm not one to complain, but I just think it's a little unfair.
It's not that I loved you less. It's just Rome Capital Partners. I loved it more how it was. Look, man, I didn't mean for this to happen. I was just angry you kicked me out.
It's too late. Just think. A year ago, we were standing here looking to the future, and now we stand here together, a year later, to witness the downfall of this place.